What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey, people. Gary here from My Digital Affiliate. Alright, guys? And today, what we're going to do is continue on this process of promoting the $25 business. Using my lead gen secrets and emails that I personally written. Right? And so far, it's been working pretty well for me, even if it seems like it's not scaling that quickly. But you guys are interested following along with all of this, you can like, comment, subscribe. You can hit that notification bell, and we'll get started. So first and foremost, I want to clarify something. The $25 business, and the reason I like promoting it is because it's affiliate program, 80% recurring. You know, it's just such a huge markup from any other affiliate program I could find. It's the best affiliate program out there, guys. And so what we're gonna do is gonna refresh the page. We're gonna see if we made some sales. Looks like we got 2 sales. We're gonna refresh the page to make sure those stick. All right, guys. And the reason I like to refresh the page in front of you guys is so you guys can fully understand that this is money going into my bank account and it is working for me. All right. All right, it looks like we did get 2 sales yesterday, guys.
Nice.
Fantastic. So this is working. This is really working. Is what I'm understanding by doing it like this. So the first thing we're gonna do for you guys to get y'all into doing this, right? If you guys are interested in this, is we're gonna get you your links for the system. All right, links for the system. Now this is the link that I'm promoting that's working really well for me. I tried it through, and this was the one that got the sale first, so I just stuck with it. You could try any other ones if you want to, totally fine. But if you guys were curious, what the link that I'm using is this one. All right. So first and foremost, guys, you gotta go to my description in my video. You're gonna see step 1 and you're gonna see step 2. The step 1 has a link. They both have a link. Step 1, click on that link. It's gonna take you to this page right here. Now what this page is basically the sales letter for that $25 business. It talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you make, blah blah blah, right? And what we're most interested in is how much money you can make, and it's affiliate program. That's what we're here for. The product itself is a funnel builder, but we don't care about that. We want to promote the program because of its incredible affiliate program, which is 80% recurring. So you can get $20 and $100 monthly commissions on each person, guys. Each person that stays in the system can give you $20 or $100. I got a lot of people paying $20. I got a lot of people paying $20 a month. I ain't got nobody paying $100 right now, but they can pay it. You know what I mean? And you got to understand something. I'm using one method to promote this, and that's what I'm about to show you guys. Super simple method to promote this. So if you promote it in a more detailed fashion, you could get way more than what I'm gonna show you. All right, as you might know, I'm just showing you the simplest, easiest way to make some extra money here and there. All right, so we're gonna go to Yes I Want In. If you guys are like stuck, right, trying to figure out how to make money online, because I know how that is. I ain't making no money online until about 8 or 9 months into trying to make money on, like, affiliate marketing, so to speak. I was making money online, but it wasn't really that. I ain't really started making until about 9 months into it after the pandemic, because I lost my job, all that stuff, and I was trying to figure stuff out. But yeah, so if you want to, first you need to feel like, hey, you can make money online. This is the easiest way to do that. So you just put in your basic information, blah blah blah, right? And also you want to click on this right here, the 14-day free test drive. This is the $100 a month one. right here. But you can get it for free. If you get a sale, you keep that $100, by the way, for HBA Premium. It's just free for 14 days. So try to get a sale on it in the first 14 days. It's pretty fine. But the method that we're gonna use to promote it, I haven't gotten the $100 one, but I get a bunch of $20 ones, which is totally fine. So because how simple it is to do, it's just a little something you do, right? And that's gonna go to my second link in my description. That's gonna take you to my lead gen. Now what you want to do is you just want to log in. Now what is my lead gen secrets? You get 100 leads a day. You can email once per day. And right now we're just using my emails that I've written, and my emails tend to perform more. They tend to perform better than anything else I've noticed. Emails that I personally written. So we're just gonna stick to them. So we're gonna go to the mailing system. I'm gonna click select all, and my last email was 3rd week of peak. So we just start right back over. Goes back to making money my first week. Yeah, it's 9 emails. Go back to the first one. Yep, we just upload the first. Very simple. Then we just hit perfect timing. What that does is send the email around the time that people check emails. All right, hit perfect timing, and we're gonna hit preview for 2 distinct reasons. The first reason is because we just want to make sure the link works here. All right, the link does work. And the second reason is to let you guys get a chance to copy my email if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. So just pause the video, copy this, pause the video, copy this. All right. But what I'm gonna do at the very bottom here, I'm gonna remove my face. Now, I think it performs a little bit better without my face, actually. I don't know why. It's no science to it, to be honest. You can put the face up there, you can put it not. It seems very similar, but I feel like I get more sales when I don't have my face on my email. So we're gonna just stick to that. So we send the email and we're done. That's all it takes. Very simple, very easy, very concise, and indicative to the method of, I don't know what I'm saying at. But as you can see, it's just so simple to do. You know what I mean? Now, if you want a more authentic, much more potent way to promote this product at this moment, without, especially without spending any money, I say make shorts, like YouTube shorts, TikTok shorts, so on and so forth. Make shorts everywhere, and especially like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Make shorts on those 3 particular platforms in particular, and eventually, man, something gonna go viral and you're gonna make a lot of money. All right, guys, so anyway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and I will talk to you guys next time. Peace.